Hello, Funny Duncan YouTube. Today, I have a challenge build to do, and I have a nice rectangular piece of ADCRV2, and I would like to see how it does a Hamon. So this is the design we're going to be shooting for. It's got some nice chamfers that run all the way along the handle and whatnot. Just a fairly simple design. It won't have like a wooden handle or drills or anything. It'll just be a solid integral handle. And then we'll try to get a nice looking Hamon on it. I think I'm going to quench in water. This is an oil hardening still, so we'll see how that goes. Should be fine. Hopefully will give us a nice active Hamon, but you know, we'll see. But I'm going to get this heated up, and then we're going to start forging this. I swear, next challenge build needs to be tongs. Okay, this is what we have so far. And the rest will be done on the grinder. So now what I need to do is I need to normalize the blade 3 times so that after we get done with the grinding, I can clay it and then just go straight to the heat treatment. Okay. No clue if we have a Hamon yet, but I scraped off the clay. It's cooled down some. And the spine at least grabs. It does not near the tip, and it does not on the edge. So that's good. That seems like a sign that we're at least moving in the right direction with it. So we'll know more once we start getting like closer to the polishing stage. But I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna clean this up, and then I'm gonna temper it so that, you know, we don't crack and explode or something. All right, good deal. It didn't crack immediately, so that's a plus. Okay, I've got the knife polished to a 220 grit. You can kind of already see potentially a shadow forming right there. It's kind of on both sides, so I've got some sort of Hamon. I don't know if it's the kind that I want, but you know, we'll see. I'm gonna do a quick, just fast little etch to see kind of what we've got. Oh yeah, yeah, it looks like it's just a simple Hamon, but hey, it's a Hamon at all, honestly. Yeah, that's not bad. Huh. With further polishing and whatnot, we'll probably be able to make that look better, but that's what we've got so far. Surprised it is not at all more active than that since I quenched in water. It's interesting. It makes me wonder if the water got underneath the clay or blasted it away or something, except for right up there. But anyway, we'll keep polishing and come back with another etch a little bit later. I might try a lemon juice etch and see what that works like, so. All right. Cool. Alright, time to finish this project up. I got it etched and some of the oxides rubbed off. Now I need to put some lubricant on it so that it stays nice and protected. Got frog lube. It's just a like gun protectant thing. It prevents rust and whatnot. It's also food safe, so I like to put it on knives and whatnot so that they can be used for eating and cooking and stuff if you wanted. Gotta say, I can tell I am still really learning with some of these techniques. Etching and Hamon definitely being two big ones. It's tricky to me. I don't know, for some reason, because neither really came out like I wanted with this knife. I mean, it's not a bad looking knife. It's just not nearly as good as it could look. Alright, and that's probably pretty good. I'm gonna get another tissue. Just clean off a little bit of this excess. I'm discovering the problem with a all metal integral handle, and that is fingerprints. Alright, I thought I'd get some natural sunlight on this thing. The oil, or frog lube, or whatever you want to call it, really helps to bring out characteristics of the blade. It also improves the finish. The other side. You can see the Hamon right there. A huge fingerprint. And I really like the way that this turned out once it was polished and then etched and kind of like rubbed over, because it had some highlights and stuff in spots. It ended up looking very nice, I think, at least. I don't know. Like, well, what do you guys think about it? I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm a little bit disappointed, personally. I was hoping for way more activity on the Hamon. I mean, the rest of the knife ended up pretty nice looking, I think, but my etching and Hamon creation definitely needs some work. My hand sanding might even too, but I don't know. Not too bad. It's a step in the right direction. That's actually the first Hamon I've ever gotten on anything, so I'm happy about that at least. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you very much for watching. If you want to like, subscribe, go over to my Patreon, whatever, you know, you can do that too. That'd be pretty cool. The challenge build, I do one every other month, and I let my Power Hammer tier patrons pick from designs, and I'll forge the winning design. This one had more stock removal than the others. Yeah, you get y'all down a spine shot, kind of. That handle, yeah, like you can see right there, especially, ended up kind of like twisted or crooked or something. I don't know what's up with that, but certainly a flaw characteristic of this knife, I suppose. But hey, okay. I'll quit rambling on. I'll quit knocking this knife. I'm gonna take some beauty shots of it. All right. See you guys. Thanks for watching.